Ever wondered why earaches are so common and yet so challenging to deal with? They are a universal discomfort, striking without warning, leaving us reaching for the nearest painkiller. But what if there was another way? A way that is not only effective but also safe and easily accessible. Today we'll explore the power of natural remedies, specifically 3 time-tested solutions for earaches. These are remedies you can prepare from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned as we delve into these natural remedies that you can easily prepare at home. First on our list is a popular kitchen ingredient, garlic. Garlic, a humble yet powerful herb, is known for its medicinal properties. Preparing garlic oil is easy. All it takes is a couple of garlic cloves. Crush them to release their natural oils, then gently heat them in olive oil. Be sure to keep the flame low to avoid burning. Once the oil has cooled, it's ready to be used. You can place a few drops of this oil in the affected ear. A word of caution here. Never insert any objects into the ear. The oil itself will do the work. Simple, isn't it? Now let's move on to our second remedy. Our second remedy requires nothing more than a clean cloth and some warm water. A warm compress is a simple yet effective treatment for earaches. To prepare it, immerse a clean cloth in warm water. Once it's nicely soaked, wring out any excess water. You want it to be damp, not dripping. Then, gently hold this warm, soothing compress against your aching ear. The warmth from the compress works wonders in alleviating pain and reducing inflammation. It's like a cozy, comforting hug for your ear. Aim for about 15 minutes of application time for optimal results. Remember, the compress should be warm, not hot. Now, onto our third and final remedy. Last but not least, is another common kitchen ingredient, ginger. This root, beloved for its spicy flavor and aromatic qualities, also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly for earaches. To prepare a ginger remedy, start by grating a small piece of fresh ginger. Squeeze this grated ginger to extract the juice. Then apply a few drops of this juice to the outer ear canal. The potent anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help soothe the inflammation and pain associated with earaches. But remember, the application should always be external and never inside the ear. Always remember, these remedies are not replacements for professional medical advice. If your symptoms persist, consult a healthcare provider. There you have it, 3 natural remedies for earaches that you can try at home. Remember, garlic oil, a warm compress, and ginger can provide relief. Don't ignore persistent or severe symptoms, seek professional help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also, subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Your health journey is important to us.